Dol gar a gael yn diw. Rhaid ni rabim mach gaddiwchgar. Mae ti'n ystwyr yn doras dyn eich. Ystwyr Robbie sydd o fel ystwyr. Una que va. Una que engat. Jem raw he si, eh? Wel gyma. No, he ganach corgo a fel u gyma. Fan a hai hwysien. Corgo fel shish gyma.
Shish gyma.
Fel shi gyma he si. Cwp yn tir doi.
No yet, no. No, well. Right, yeah, thanks very much. Bye-bye.
Si un a hi o'r un a chi? Un. Gasta me ta. Gai me hwn iwchasyn, he? Sy'n ac efa.
Sgaf hyn. Na fi na chdi.
Hyn ac eta. Glefa me ta. Slanja fa.
Slanja. Slanja fa.
Sy'n a halenes cora eitar me he ag efa broen ag is rabi mach gyfiwchgar. Hwys y Sean yn can noch gilip. Nar a gael. And we're going through the G's at the moment. And the Shaw and the Beerla. Sy'n bysyn brym yn gwrs i'r big anol yn Gaelic. And we'd talk about Robbie's father's Gaelic and his mother's Gaelic, which were all Argyll, but just that wee bit different. And we quite often we get some interesting differences, don't we, between the Mull or the Tyree and the Loch Fyne. But we know the Loch Fyne Gaelic's the better one. What would your word be for a sword? Do you have a word for a sword? And they wouldn't talk about swords much, would they? But
no. Which was a lance, would it? Ski and oar, I don't know.
Did they ever use the word clay?
Oh yes,
clay.
clay.
Would that be right enough? There we are. What would your Gaelic be for good day? As in good day.
Lama.
Lama. And if you were leaving somebody, would it be more usual to say La Malet?
La Malet.
So that was quite normal.
Oh yes.
And that was departing. That's when you were going.
Oh, that was La Malet.
And you wouldn't say that when you met somebody, you'd say that when you were leaving them.
That's just when you're leaving them.
That's right. And how would you say that someone has good Gaelic? You say a Jill Gaelic, Kiki?
Oh, aye.
I could say that as well.
Jill Gaelic, Kiki.
That. Agus Ínsco in scale mar a hachar dar a chai si stut in scol o chiet la agus fan Shakespeare bryn ni me gwrstier na barrelin.
Oh, the barrel, aye. Who's the master? What's the skull like now? When do you tie your boots with? And we shackums with me a paddle. No laces, paddle. Yeah.
Agus co es a fa mer?
Rwg a fi yn y tiri. Ach wat de moel siod. Och, ia blianach yn. Rwg fi yn y moel yn y tiri. Agus chaig at de gomatra. Ach yn da, tia sydd am al di gael hier.
Ha car imalach na fin.
O, imalach, o, hier, ha. Ha, cyma imalach.
Co es a fa ar? Co es a fa Gillespie mach gyfiwchgar?
Loch Cynne. Loch Cynne. Chasiol.
Fa mis a clwynjyn gyn i da chiet bliana, fa dan yn Loch Cynne. So fa me bech chyn arall Jamars, dyna hech gyn me ta. Jamars. Yn jen chyn yn grach.
Ai, di sy'n ei gael.
Gasta me ta. Lefa. Va. Va man ju.
Na, cadwris.
Hyrach yma. Agus bym mi garfechgyn met ta, Robbie.
Yes.
Hini dy marsi met ta.
Him met Marcy, oké.
Gasta met ta. Gleva met ta.
Oké, weet je, oké.
Slanlwy hi.
Even maar doen.
Gleva. Slanlwy, Robbie.
Oké,
Slan.
bye bye.